work out the way you want it to. So it's always good to have plan B, C, D, and have some knowledgeable people in the area who can tell you some pretty cool places that most people don't go to. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
I'm Gary.
And he's got to concentrate on his driving. All right, we came into Utah. We came down to Green River, Utah, and we were going to be 45 minutes away from Arches National Park. But because of COVID, all the national parks had closed down, and now they're just reopening this weekend. Bad timing. We didn't think it'd be such a big rush, but they said the first day there were they counted 46 states represented that were able to get in. Within the first 3 hours they had to close because there were so many people coming and they had to turn people away. They said come back another time. So we found out we might not be able to go into the park, but we found out there's some other things around the park and that there's some things that we can still see that are from the park without having to go in it.
Yes, we hope.
That is the plan. And then we're going to go a roundabout way and kind of do a loop and then go back a different way than we did yesterday. Yesterday, from just south of Provo, Utah, we came down Highway 6, State Road 6, and it was gorgeous. Today, we're planning on going back on I-70 and 15. A little bit longer way to go back up, but we thought different scenery. It's going to go through a forest, so we'll see what that's like. But today, we're going to see what we can see of the Arches without going in the park, and what other sights we can see and show you. So this is the road we brought down yesterday. Was Highway 6 south, 191 east. I think that's how it went. Either that or it was, yeah. Highway 6 and 191. And we came down to Green River, Utah, and we stayed at a wonderful, wonderful Good Sam Park. It was called Shady Acres Campground. It was awesome. It was close to 100 yesterday, and so it was really nice to have the shade and air conditioning, which we rarely use, but it was very nice yesterday in the evening, and I was able to upload a video because we had incredible internet. So it was all a good experience, worth the money. Green River, Utah, Shady Acres Campground. It's a Good Sam. Today we're going to go this way, and we're going to go down. There's some petroglyphs. That would be cool. But it's over 100 degrees today, so I don't think we're going to be doing a lot of hiking. We're going to take this road down here towards Moab, and we're going to take a little side road over here to Dead Horse State Park. We heard there's some incredible views there of the Colorado River. Then we're going to go around here, go around Arches, and get back up on 70 again and go this way again. So that's the plan. Yeah, plan A, B, C, D. Gary just made a good point. He said, what side are you going to be on for filming if we go down this way and up and around? And he's right. I'll be on the wrong side. So we're going to go this way and come down this way and then go to Dead Horse State Park and then back up to 70 and out. New plan. Oh my gosh. Plan C. There's only one entrance into Arches National Park. We went past it and there was no line. They don't have any entrance fee, not that it matters because we have a national park gold pass anyway. So we're going back. We just had to look for a place where we could turn around. Well, we made it almost through into Arches, and the brakes locked up. All these little things are melted. They're completely gone on this one. The other side is worse. This is all the farther we got. We are blocking traffic. This one's really bad. This one isn't doing hardly anything for some reason. So the national park guys are here, the sheriffs, whatever. We're gonna have to get a tow truck, a flatbed tow truck, and he told me to get as many things out of here as possible. Where are we going to go with it? We don't have enough room in our truck. So I'm just trying to think of what I need to do and what we need to get out of here.